Hello everyone, welcome. Today I will show you a tutorial on how to use your glimmer mist and some inks and take these 12 by 12 envelopes that Canvas Corp brands have, so you can make them as a cover for your junk journal, and it will have a full leather looking feel. So this will be a very nice size for a traveler's notebook or a long junk journal, because they are very big. They are 12 by 12, so it will be very interesting. I like this size of envelopes for junk journals. I like this size of travel journals. So we will use our sprays and some ink, and we will make this envelope have a full leather looking. So before I do that, I want to give you some ideas. I will take my sewing machine. I will leave this open so it can be used as a pocket. You can fold it twice or three times if you wish. I will fold it twice. So this will be my spine. This will be my center. So my spine will be here. In my spine I will do on the left and the right some stitching for decorative purposes, but also to make it more sturdy, but not right in the center, because in the center it will go my signature. I will also do some cuts to have it as a pockets here, and I will do some stitching all around to have it as a decoration, but also to make it more sturdy. And I will make also a stitch in the middle, so this pocket will be divided in two sections, so you can use it to tuck stuffs inside. So without further ado, I told you I will do two stitches here, stitch all around, stitch the middle to separate them, cut some pockets, and use glimmer mists and some inks and ink pads to make it have a full leather effect. I will speed the video up, so I hope you enjoy it and get inspired. The colors that will give you a more leather looking feel, and I used, is the Tokyo and the Roll Top Desk. This is a more brown, so it will give you the leather look, the dark background. And this is the Tokyo gives a red shade, so it's gives more leather look. I also used copper token and walnut gold. If you need a surface that is plastic or glass or something, and when you do this rubbing technique, it will give you also like the leather, because it has some shades and ups and downs. So I will also use this. This is color wash paint, and I have it in Mimoza, and it's more orange. So your leather, some leathers are more red shades, not in the brown shades. And what I will do is that I will sprinkle it in various places and wipe it with my envelope, so it will go all over. I won't brush it. I will just use my envelope and wipe it. And we can turn it more brown again if we think it's, too orange or something. I don't have another shade right now, that's why I'm using the orange, but also a red wine shade or something like that. Can you see? So the color is picked in various places. Don't forget that your flap will be shown inside, so you want it to be here, not opened. You want it to be closed, but be careful because it has glue here, so you won't glue your envelope closed. I just continue adding layers of paint and spray, so I prefer to do it on my plastic mat that I'm having here, and I'm wiping it off. I'm picking the paint up with my envelope so it will go in various places, and you can keep doing it as much as you wish, adding layers until you're satisfied with the result. And in between you can dry them. Don't forget to do the inner side of your envelope, and I'm just using the envelope to wipe my desk, if you wish, with various shades of colors and paint. You can also spray directly on it, on juice splatters, or do whatever you wish. So after you dry it and it's completely dry, you can emboss it, you can stamp it with permanent ink that won't fade away. You can emboss it, you can stamp it, you can even use your beautiful ribbons from Canvas Corp, from St. Gypsies, and you can use your ribbons and place them wherever you wish, or use your stamp or whatever you wish, and you will leave it dry, and after that you will seal it. I use the Versa marking, and I stamp the word Explore, and I also stamp here, so I emboss them. And what I did is I make two openings, so because it's stitched we have one pocket here and one pocket here now, and we have also two pockets, one here and one here. And now I will do I also use an ink pad and rub on the surface. When you use an ink pad, because Glimmer Mist has some shine and sun, they have mica powder, you have to be careful and use a spatula to clean the surface of your ink pad, because it will gather the Glimmer Mist. So now I will use I'm using a wood glue, but you can use a Mod Podge, a matte medium, whatever you have in your whatever you have available, to seal it. And you can make your journal close like that if you wish, so it has a flap, because this will be a cover for a junk journal. You can make a journal close like that, or I will have it like this, close like this. And you can put corners and eyelets and make it whatever you wish, but it will look like real leather. So now all I'm going to do is seal it, and after you seal it you have to leave it to dry well from each side, and after it dries from one side you will flip it and seal it from the other side. So all I will do now is just use my wood glue that I use as a glue and as a sealer, and seal it and make it more shiny, and that will give it a more leather effect.